You'll never know if I'm excited or not because my face won't be moving. Hey guys, I am at LaserAway to get my Botox touch-up because I am hosting WeHope Pride this weekend. Happy Pride. But too much sunlight will give you wrinkles and I don't need my face to move that much. Let's go. So now we're in the treatment room. My Botox journey, I'm so happy about it because I used to frown in my sleep. I probably still do, but now you don't see the effects. And so I started with my 11th right here and we moved on to my forehead. So now when I wake up, crystal clear. Because before I would wake up with wrinkles. Because you can't run away from your problems in your sleep. Your mind knows you're stressed out. You're freaking out in your dreams. And so you're gonna see them in the daytime. So we're here with my favorite nurse, Holly. What's up, honey? Okay, and we're about to get started on this forehead. It's a little too much movement for me. So we're all done, and we're with my favorite nurse, Holly, who fixes me up every time, and now I'm going to have the results I want in 2 to 3 days, peak probably 5 days, but I'm so excited. You guys have no idea, because you'll have no idea, because you'll never know if I'm excited or not, because my face won't be moving. But I'm excited for Pride, and I'm excited that I will not be creating new wrinkles in direct sunlight on stage for 12 hours for 3 days in a row. Thanks, LaserAway. Bye. I'll see you in 3 or 4 months.
Ready to be a laser babe? 3 steps. 1, subscribe to our channel. 2, watch more amazing videos. And 3, schedule your free virtual consultation for any of our services by clicking the link below. Then we can be friends in real life. Bye.